Hi, Go Ask Kit with another interesting video for you. I have the Grant Park bar side chair, which I'm going to build and review for you here. It's made out of the recycled plastic material called Polywood, and at important steps, I'll turn the video back on and show you how this unboxes and goes together. Okay, so I got the chair's parts unpacked and laid out for assembly. There was 16 screws, all of the same type, 4 crossbar pieces, a leg and back, a seat piece, and the other leg piece. And looks, there's not too many pieces and only one type of screw. So as I go step by step, I'll pick it up and show you what I did. Okay, first piece done was to put this piece and the legs together, screwed right here and right here with the 2 long screws. So I'll pause until the next step. Okay, putting on this piece to these 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Now it's starting to look like a chair. Put it on pause for the next step. Okay, I put the last 2 pieces on, which were right here and right here on both sides. Man, is that a solid bar stool. And it's got this really nice step stool. And I'm using this paired with my garage workbench, and a regular chair would have been ridiculous, but this bar stool and the height is absolutely perfect. Look at this. Look. So I sit on this sucker. I don't know if you can see me, but here we are. Right here on the perfect height for my workbench out here in the garage. So the Grant Park bar side chair in slate Polywood at Home Depot is a really killer chair, and these things out of this recycled plastic material have a 20-year warranty, and you can power wash these suckers. You can leave them out in the weather, and supposedly they'll hold up. Now mine's not going to be out in the weather. It's going to be right here where it is, in the garage. So here I am now. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more content all over the map, which if you watch a few of my videos, you're going to see that that's true. It's all over the place, and some of it you're going to find interesting if you just subscribe. That'll help my channel out a lot. And if you like this particular video, check the like. All right, I'm out for now. This is Go Ask Kit. Don't forget.